It's broken?
Body.
What are you doing, Luke?
Body.
Show us how you're going to fix it. It needs new batteries?
Yeah.
Go fix it.
Body. Look. Look. Look.
Okay, what about if I get you some batteries? You want batteries?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll get you some batteries. Where are the batteries?
In there.
They're in there? Okay, open it up. Get some batteries. You gonna put the batteries in, Luke?
Yeah.
Are you happy now? Hey, Lucas. How many batteries does it take?
Did you ride it?
Yay!